So this is our VendaVolt wireless for washers, dryers, or similar setups. This is for either coin drop machines or coin slide machines. Anything where needs certain pulses. This one is right now set up for coin drop, but with dollars. So $5 will send 5 pulses to the right product. It's either number 1 washer, number 2 washer, number 3 dryer, number 4 dryer, let's say. So I'm press number 4.
Thank you.
The little receiver received 5 pulses. We could set this for quarter pulses, dollar pulses, or as a coin slide, 1 big pulse. And as I said, it works wirelessly. The transmitter is in here. The receiver goes to your washers, dryers, or similar machines.
Make another payment.
Authorizing.
So let's say
Please
I'm
select
going to
the
try
product.
number 2. That's going to be that one.
Thank you.
Received 5 pulses. So in this scenario, the right number goes to the right machine. There's no anything else to press, just choose on the Nayax. End of video.
For more information, contact XCP Corp., Brooksville, Florida, 352-678-3021, or go to our website, xcpcorp.com. Thank you.